Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's transforming every industry and creating massive wealth for those who invest early. But here's the big question. How can you profit from the AI boom? In this video, we'll break down why AI is the biggest wealth opportunity of the century, how AI is creating multi-billion-dollar companies, the best ways to invest in AI before it's too late. Stick around, because the last investment strategy could be a game changer for your financial future. Why the AI boom is just getting started right now. AI is still in its early stages, but it's evolving at an insane speed. AI is doubling in power every 6 to 12 months. AI adoption in businesses has grown by over 300% in just 5 years. The AI market is projected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2030. Every major tech company, from Microsoft to Google to Amazon, is pouring billions into AI because they know it's the future. This isn't just another tech trend, it's a once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunity. Now, let's dive into how you can make money from AI. 1. Investing in AI stocks. AI stocks have been some of the best-performing investments in recent years, and there's still room for growth. Some of the top AI stocks to watch include NVIDIA, NVDA. The AI chip leader. 80% of AI servers worldwide run on NVIDIA chips. Demand for AI GPUs is skyrocketing, making NVIDIA one of the hottest AI stocks. Microsoft, MSFT, the AI powerhouse. Billions invested in OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. AI is now built into Microsoft's cloud, software, and business solutions. Palantir, PLTR, the AI data intelligence firm, AI-powered analytics for governments and Fortune 500 companies. One of the biggest AI players in defense and cybersecurity. If you believe in AI's long-term potential, investing in AI stocks could be one of the best financial moves you make. 2. AI-powered side hustles. AI isn't just making big corporations rich, it's also creating new ways for individuals to make money. Here are 3 AI-powered side hustles you can start today. AI content creation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create blogs, ebooks, or scripts. AI can help generate ideas, write faster, and automate content creation. AI video editing and animation. AI-powered tools like Runway ML can generate and edit videos instantly. Video content demand is growing, and AI makes editing easier than ever. AI-generated art and design. Use AI image generators like Midjourney to create and sell digital artwork. AI-assisted design tools can help you create logos, social media posts, and more. AI isn't replacing entrepreneurs. It's giving them powerful tools to scale their businesses faster. 3. AI and real estate. The hidden opportunity. Most people don't realize this, but AI is disrupting real estate too. AI-powered tools are predicting housing market trends better than ever. AI automation is making property management and investments more efficient. Some investors are using AI-driven real estate platforms to find undervalued properties before everyone else. If you're in real estate or thinking about investing, AI can help you make smarter decisions. Final thoughts? The time to act is now. The AI boom is just getting started, but those who invest early will see the biggest rewards. AI stocks are still growing. Smart investors are getting in now. AI-powered side hustles are changing how people make money online. AI is disrupting every major industry, creating massive wealth opportunities. So, what do you think? How will you profit from AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more AI investment tips, don't forget